Trieste is rolling out an expanded public transportation plan ahead of the 2025 Barcolana Regatta. The initiative, led by the regional government and local partners, includes additional buses, expanded park and ride facilities, and integrated connections with trains, bikes, and maritime services. Friuli Venezia Giulia is making it easier to get to Trieste during Regatta.
Yes, we want to give an access to Trieste that is not only by car, but by train, by bus, and by bicycle, and also by ship. And so in Barcolana time, we have a special offer to tourism, but also for the citizens of Friuli Venezia Giulia. But we use this approach also in the ordinary time.
The plan is similar to last year, and the big novelty is the train transport on the second weekend, which had more line this year, so it will be easier to get Trieste by train, and also, I'd like to say, in a sustainable way.